Hi, in this video I will show you how to get TikTok message effect. So nowadays it's a trending effect on the TikTok. Simply you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the discover, and once you will here you have to search for the message effect. Once you will search for it, you have to click on this effect. So your effect is here, tap on it. Now you have to click on the add to favorite, and once you will do it, now go back and you have to click on your plus icon to shoot a new video. Now you have to click on the effects from here and go to your favorites from here, and you will see message effect is here. Tap on it and now shoot a video, and in this way you can use the message effect. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.